It was at this point that I absolutely went from just enjoying this book to loving this book. Let me read you a quick quote, okay?
Okay. All right.
The corridor ended in a massive fleshy sphincter valve.
Hey, stop. Stop right there. No. That is not how you write books. That is how you write medical journals.
It looks like an airlock, Sven said, studying it. The doorway rippled moistly. The scout warily eyed the folds of flesh surrounding the valve. I'll open it, Eagle said, and blasted away at it with his bolt pistol. The bolts tore into the flabby mass of flesh. The valve door spasmed as if in pain, the whole floor shaking underfoot. Underfloor muscles joined in the action.
Oh shit. Jesus Christ.
Oh, the word sphincter comes up more than once. Sven noticed a small fleshy node near the valve. Acting on impulse, he reached out and stroked it.
Jesus
The partially
fucking
torn door
Christ.
flapped open with a soft, almost animal sigh.
Jesus fuck. Dude,
So,
hang on,
I-
hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Give me a minute. Are you reading a book or fan erotica?